Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. In today's video, I'm going to be making for you a delicious recipe called Marry Me Chicken right after this. Alright, y'all, before we get started with this Marry Me Chicken recipe, let me show you all the ingredients I'll be using. Also, all the ingredients along with the recipe will be down in the description below the video. Alright, so let's get started with this recipe. Alright, to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is mince 2 cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to take about 10 sprigs of thyme and take the leaves off to create about a half a tablespoon of thyme leaves. So next, I'm going to chop up some flat leaf parsley just for garnish. Alright, next I'm going to portion out my chicken breast. So I'm taking 1 chicken breast and I'm going to butterfly through it and create 2 chicken breasts. So about 2 4-ounce chicken breasts. And I'm doing 2 chicken breasts to create 4 pieces. Alright, so right here I got about 2 cups, maybe 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm just going to be adding some fresh cracked black pepper and some salt to that mixture. That's going to be the dredge for the chicken. So into a preheated pan, I'm going in with some olive oil and then some unsalted butter. Alright, so right here I'm dredging my chicken. And also the reason I put the olive oil in first and then the butter, that keeps the butter from burning. Alright, as you can see, I'm laying the chicken away from me. So if I was to drop it and it splashed, it wouldn't splash toward me. So at this point, I'm just going to let the chicken sit and cook, form a nice little crust on the bottom, and then I'll flip it. Alright, so that's the crust you're looking for, that's the color that you're looking for. Alright, so now I'm pulling the chicken out. I have my oven at like 170 degrees. I'm going to put the chicken in there just to stay warm, and then I'm going to get started on the sauce. Alright, so right here I'm going in with some diced onions, about a half a diced onion. I'm going to get those nice and translucent, and now I'm going in with that garlic and thyme mixture. Alright, so now I'm going in with some sun-dried tomatoes, about a 1/4 cup. And right here I'm going in with some red chili flakes. Alright, saute that, marry all those flavors together. Alright, so right here I'm going in with some Marcella wine. You can omit this. You can use white wine, or you can use no wine at all. You can just use chicken broth, which is what I'm about to do now. All right, so right here I'm going in some chicken broth. It's about a cup. And right here I'm stirring in about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. So I'm just stirring that up, letting all those flavors marry together, and now I'm going in with about a cup and a half of heavy cream. All right, so I'm gonna let that cook and reduce down by about a third. That's gonna thicken up a little bit. All right, so now I'm putting my chicken breast back in, and they're gonna absorb some of that flavor from the sauce. It's also going to make the chicken nice and tender as well. All right, so right here I'm going with some Parmesan cheese. Right here I'm going in some baby spinach. Now this is optional. I added this for color and for flavor as well, but this is optional. You don't have to add this. Most recipes you might not see spinach, but you're definitely going to see sun-dried tomatoes. All right, so right here I'm going with some garlic. That's going to make that sauce nice and rich, nice and creamy. And let me just give you a little background on this. So, well, I really can't give you background because Marry Me Chicken, there's a lot of rumors of where it came from, but some people believe that it was actually created by, a content creator. And some people believe it was created by somebody that owned a restaurant, about 70 years ago. And then it said that it was created a long time ago, and it's pretty much similar to Tuscan chicken. It's pretty much the same recipe, but the rumor is it's supposed to be so good that if you make it for a man, he's gonna propose to you. So that might be a little something y'all want to know about, ladies. All right, so here you go, Marry Me Chicken. All right, so right here I'm just gonna do a little plate up. All right, so at this point the recipe's pretty much done. I'm just topping it off with a little bit more parm and that chopped parsley for garnish. Oh, and as a bonus, I'm just gonna go over it with a little bit of white truffle oil. All right, so here you go, y'all. Marry Me Chicken. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload more cooking videos. Also check me out on social media, Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Like I said, once again, thank you for watching. Also leave a comment. Let me know other things you want to see me make. I'll catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.